আসসালামু আলাইকুম বন্ধুরা, আমি সাইদুল ইসলাম। আজকে আমি আপনাদের একটা নতুন কফি শপে নিয়ে যাচ্ছি। সেখান থেকে আমি একটা নতুন কফি খাবো, আর সেই কফি রেসিপিটাও আমি আপনাদের দেখাবো। তো সাথে থাকুন। Oh my god. Nice place. Sorry. Assalamu alaikum. Alhamdulillah, kif guys? And I've got coffee. You have coffee menu?
Yes, I have
Please.
coffee menu. This is menu. All items.
What you have is special.
Special.
All restaurant like this have cappuccino, latte, flight white, but I want special without this one.
Special. I think I suggest you
What's your
Turkish coffee.
Turkish coffee? No, I not like Turkish coffee. This Turkish, another one. But coffee, this one like this espresso.
Yes, like
Yeah, an espresso with espresso.
With espresso, there is flat white.
Flight white?
Yes.
Okay.
Flat
But
white.
what you have?
And Spanish latte hard.
Ice coffee?
Ice. You want cold or hot?
You give cold.
Cold. Yani Spanish latte.
Spanish latte.
Spanish latte, ice latte. Okay.
Okay, you give flight white. Okay. Hot.
Flat with hot.
Yeah. You have ice flight white?
Ice, no ice flat white, but ice Americano.
Okay, flight white. Hot.
No issue.
Okay, how much?
There.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So you make, huh? You make. Okay.
Without sugar, huh?
Don't sugar. Don't sugar.
You have any page?
Yeah, I have one YouTube page.
Which page you have?
Barista.
Oh, barista. You barista also?
Yeah, I'm also barista.
Where are you from?
My from is Bangladesh.
Oh, Bangladesh.
Yeah.
Where you working?
Before I'm working, organic cafe.
You.
Now I'm working Muttaka Al Muttaka.
What is your page name? Where is page you are? Facebook or
Page, YouTube.
YouTube?
Yeah.
What is the name of
Barista FNB online training.
online thing?
Yeah.
So I will check.
You will check. I have lot of recipe here. Cold, hot. Come up, please. Mashallah. So you use double shot, huh?
Yes, I use double shot because
Flight white?
but I am not making all time.
Oh, no problem. Okay. What's you been using? Roasted bean, Arabica?
Yes, it's Arabic.
Arabica. Okay. Okay.
Can I?
Thank you, my friend.
Welcome.
Welcome.